So we're checking out the 16-inch wet concrete saw from WORKPRO. So this one has the kind of kickback splash guard there, the wheels, and then the water attachment. This is the box that it shows up in. It's not real heavy. I mean, it's heavy, but it's mostly just big and it's kind of top heavy. Let's open up the box and take a look at it. I'm going to go ahead and just cut the tape at the top here and go in from the top. And as you can see right away, you know what's going on. You got your instructions, some information. You've got the water hookups and some fittings. And then you've got the extra line of hose all right up top. We've got some styrofoam here that's keeping everything in place for shipping. I'll just go ahead and pull this from the top. And as I pull it up, I can see that the saw is pretty much good to go. I do have a tool here, I'm assuming for changing the blade. I've got the power cord. The handle is right here. Front handle lets me bring it up. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box for you. And just pull the bag off here. Keeps everything nice inside. And there's the saw with its long cord, 2-prong outlet, disconnect right there. Got a nice comfortable handle here, strong handle in the back, place for the motor, heavy backsplash, got good strong wheels, all the adjustments nice and strong. The blade comes detached from the saw when you get it. And then all the attachments. Really looking forward to using this on, we're going to use it mostly on concrete block, but it would also work for cutting concrete as well. Hope this helps.